Oh, hindi ka makaplay. Nasa gitna siya. Oh, pag naningin mo siya rito, ibigay mo bola sa kanya. Dito ka sumingit ka. Doon sa open. Tapos. Hindi lang natin umikot. Ayos mo na siya. Para makuha agad natin. Oh, pag 6-2 na yan. Malaki na yan.
Basic issue of choreography, actually. FEU has a new campus at the Business Center in Makati, of course, and courses to consider: accountancy, accounting technology, infotech, business ad 836-2002, the number to call, and there's a website you can visit as well. Sam Sarmiento, Mosi Ravenna, joining all of you here in the Shakey's V-League Open Conference presentation here on Active.
So far, Dada, Chewy Wolim has 4 receptions and Neten Lazaro with 4 also. So itong si Chewy Wolim, di lang siya offense, defense pa.
Good point. Tubino knocking that down, snapping the doldrums out of the way for Cagayan Rising Suns. That's an interesting poetic way. The sun really doesn't rise, actually. If you think about it, it's just there now. But if you are strict about it, and I can actually hear the Twitter and Facebook rebuking of this statement. As the earth spins,
you just started the
rotates.
trending.
I was
trending issue ka na dyan.
Ayun naman. Here's Casas, her team down by 2. She's a steady server. We've seen that through the years. Down the middle we go with Tanglet. Easy stop. Kuminsan niya ng pinakamahirap depensahan. Andaya set up for Tubino.
And Tubino from the middle. Hindi pa nakapag full approach si Tubino niyan, di ba?
I
we look at it once again.
In the last conference, he was a bit injured, actually. Couldn't jump as high. I knew she had a heavy protection bandage on her knee, actually. And Casas brings her team closer by a point now, 6-5.
Look at the front line of the Rising Suns. Napakalakas. Tubino in the middle, the Port Pimol, you have Chewy Wolim.
Parang may naglagay ng malaking kurtina doon sa maliit na bintana. And we're tied at 6.
That was a quick string of points coming from the Lady Altas.
Casas has been there for quite a spell now. Second set action. First set going the way of Cagayan, 25-19. Led all the way, actually. That's kept up by Janela Regalo, taken care of by both Ho, and it might have been Eliza Valdez.
Well, Janela over-receiving that one. Coach might not like that last reception of Janela.
Coach Mike always a very animated, interesting, wears his heart on his sleeve kind of guy.
And Port Pimol challenging the blockers of Ateneo and winning it. Nakita mo yung respect na Ateneo. Triple block for Port Pimol.
Kasi lakas talaga pumalo.
So far, Tubino with 4 attack points. Gretchen Ho with 2.
Ako suntok. Suntok ginawa ni Jim doon. Wala eh. Malayo sa kanya eh. Andaya, easy set. Double whammy, double block, and Gretchen Ho delighted with that one. Oh, that's a nice feeling when you block, really. Watch this. And technical timeout time.